Welcome back to Qara's Kitchen, and today on day 11 of Cookmas, we are making loaded boneless chicken wings. And I know I've been late on this Cookmas posting every day, but I promise I will make up for it. So of course we're going to have our chicken diced up into little bites, and I already had my seasoned, but just go ahead and chop those up. And of course just season to your liking. And for this recipe, we're going to have a wet batter and a dry batter. And I will leave all the ingredients that I used in the description box below. So now we're just going to take our chicken, dip that into our wet batter first, and then drop it into our flour. And make sure you pat the flour into the chicken to make sure it is nice and crispy. So once they start floating, you know they're done. And then once you cook all your chicken wings, we're going to assemble our plate. Now we're going to take all our chicken bites and place that on our cast iron plates, or if you don't have a cast iron plate, you can just use a regular plate. Doesn't matter, it's fine. So now we're just going to take some queso and drizzle that all over our chicken. And this queso is store-bought. I didn't make this from scratch, and I will link a picture or post a picture of the queso I used. Now we're just going to cover this thing in a lots of cheese. So first I'm going in with Colby Jack, and then next I am going in with this Mexican blend. Now we're just going to pour the remaining of the queso on top, and then we're going to let this sit in the oven just until the cheese melts at 250 degrees. And this is the name of the queso I drizzled on my chicken, and it's actually pretty good. I like it. So now that the cheese is all melted, we are just going to take our bacon that I cooked in my air fryer. But we're going to take that and just place that all over the top. Then we're going to take some green onions just for a pop of color. And then we're going to spread that on top as well. Then you're going to drizzle some ranch on top. I recommend making your own ranch at home, but I didn't have all the ingredients to make my ranch from scratch. So I just used Hidden Valley Ranch, and it still was good. So after that, you're all done, and you should have something that looked like this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.